Action verbs with example sentences. Run. She runs every morning to stay fit. Jump. How high can you jump on the trampoline? Draw. Use your crayons to draw a happy family. Sing. Can you sing the alphabet song with me? Count. Count the numbers. Read. It's time to read a fun storybook together. Write. Practice writing your name on the paper. Listen. Listen carefully to the sounds around you. Dance. I like to dance. Color. Let's color the flowers in the coloring book. Explore. We are going to explore different plants today. Build. Build a tower using these building blocks. Clap. Clap your hands if you are excited to learn. Share. It's important to share toys with friends. Plant. He plants flowers in the garden. Play. Play a game of hide and seek with your friends. Balance. Try to balance on one foot. Cook. Let's cook a simple recipe together. Taste. Can you taste this soup, please? Decorate. Let's decorate the classroom with colorful balloons for the party. Swim. He swims in the pool for an hour each day. Laugh. You make me laugh. Climb. The hikers climbed the mountain. Drive. He can drive. Fly. The birds fly south for the winter. Buy. I buy fresh vegetables every day. Clean. We clean the house every weekend. Bake. She likes to bake cookies. Eat. I like to eat sweets. Sleep. The baby sleeps in the nursery. Walk. My grandfather walks with a stick. Cry. The baby may cry when it's hungry or sleepy. Talk. We can talk about our favorite animals during class. Think. Take a moment to think about your favorite color. Study. It is important to study our ABCs to learn how to read. Start. We will start race at 1 p.m. End. The storybook will end soon. Teach. The teacher will teach us how to write our names. Learn. We will learn how to count to 10 using colorful blocks. Ride. I love to ride my bike in the park. Fight. We should never fight with our friends. Drink. After playing, it's essential to drink water. Watch. Let's watch a fun cartoon together on TV. Pull. Pull your chair over here. Wait. We need to wait for traffic light to turn green before crossing the road. Wash. It's time to wash our hands before eating dinner. Dream. When we sleep, we can dream about yummy food. Give. Let's give some cookies to our friends. Open. We can open a book and read an exciting story. Close. Please close the door. Smell. Take a moment to smell the flowers in the garden. Throw away. Let's throw away the trash in the bin to keep our room clean. Sew. Grandma can sew beautiful dresses using her sewing machine. Thank you for watching. If you like the video, please like, share, and subscribe the channel.